Nice day out, and we had our logs and wood stocked up, so it's time for some s'mores, we thought. The solid fuel I'm unpacking. It's not really necessary, but it's handy to set up some fire. All the things you see on the screen is from my disaster backpack where I put all the necessary primary tools for initial survival, just in case of earthquakes and all. And I never knew the fire would be so high and fierce. We had to remove our camera before it caught any fire. On an aluminum foil, layer biscuits or crackers, then with chocolate and marshmallows. We all know what goes into s'mores, so... Wrap them individually. Toss them near fire, not too near because they might burn, and take them out after a brief time, like 5 minutes or so. We only need that marshmallows and chocolates to melt. Meanwhile we are waiting, it's almost essential to do marshmallows on a stick, right? Be careful because, see, that's how hot it was. Looks like my biscuits aren't burnt, and marshmallows and chocolates are cooked. Have a campfire with your friend or family, and why not go for some s'mores together? Or even just a marshmallow on a stick would be enough for that childhood memory. Well, have a great winter, and bye everyone.